Kia ora, ko Cain Kerehoma taku ingoa, taku pāpā no te whānau tū whakairiora I roto o Ngāti Porou, taku māma no Maupoko Ngāti Toa, Ngāti Raukawa. Aku mahi konei, he mea whānau o te whānau a Taiki he tahi wā, he hianga, e tahi wā, he rukuruku I ngā tapu-tapu, I ngā taonga, a tēnei ao, a tērā ao. Yeah, every day is different. So I'm, bit of a hianga in lots of different sort of spaces from, policy to tech to entrepreneurship to community development to action research to our way. Yeah, well, nā pirana te kōrero, as kotoringa ki te rākawa te Pākehā, hei oranga mō tō tinana, and so we've always had that foresight of knowing that there are many different tools available, from around the world that we need to grab onto and discover what potential and benefit that they can have for our people. And I think technology is one of those tools that has the potential to be quite transformational, opening up employment, career opportunities for our people, opening up opportunities to build global businesses from here in Te Tairāwhiti. I think we're way behind, and that's as somebody who's lived overseas and seen what's kind of happening in other areas and jurisdictions in terms of the uptake of the technological advancement of our people. Is we're far behind. If there's work to do, it's to understand that. How do we shift resources to where the mahi is happening and needs to happen? How do we create that flow and momentum and wrap around communities to really put their hands on the steering wheel and drive their own agendas? I think at a higher level, that's the big thing we need to do.